Hey, welcome back. I'm Chris, and today, oh my goodness, we're gonna make a welding table. Let's do this real quick. Now, I don't weld that often, and I don't really know how to weld that well, but I want to learn how to weld, and I want to learn how to weld better. And I had this idea of using an old grill that rotted out, well, at least using the base of it, and making a welding table so I can keep all my welding stuff in one area, have a nice flat level surface to weld on, and practice. The only problem is the grill is buried back there. So let's dig it out real quick. With this thing pretty much taken apart, I'm gonna just grind away at the edges here a little bit so I got something to weld to. And I'm not gonna keep these wheels. I'm missing the front wheels. I'm planning on putting different wheels on. This is gonna be a work in progress, but at least for now, just to move it around, this is gonna work at the moment. So let's get to it. This should work out pretty well. I don't know much about welders. I don't know much about welding except for maybe the basics, and I'm still learning. It's gonna take a while. And that's one of the key points here, is to not be afraid to take on new projects and learn new things. This is definitely one of them. And this is gonna allow me to, well, practice welding and fix at least little things that are gonna break. I just ran out of welding wire, so I'm gonna swap this out if you wanna. I don't just, yeah, watch, I guess. Don't do that. This is why I wanted the welding cart, so I could have my tools right here. To waste that much old wire, but what are you gonna do? Now there are definitely a few more things I need to make for this welding table specifically. Some kind of a holder, a few hooks and stuff to hold various items, and there's things I need to do. But for now, for today, I think we're pretty much done here for today, because I can keep welding and I can do little things. So I'm gonna finish up just a little bit, check my welds, and hope that they're good. In time they will be. So I think we're pretty much done, and I'll see you on the next one. You can probably guess, on the next one, we're gonna be welding something. Not to give it a spoiler.